So I figured out I have a problem, but I am not able to fix it. Maybe you can help me fix it. For those of you who don't know, this is a new YouTube channel I have started, and I like to speak to the camera like I am doing right now. Most of the people who record videos, most of the people who use AI to prepare their script is because they want the video to be good, nice, and I believe to get their point across and then make it concise. The same applies to the people who use script. It's the same reason they do that, to get their point across. Now, for those of us, or for me, who speaks to the camera like this, I just want to talk. I just want to talk about something. I just want to get a point across. Now, when I decided to start recording like this, one of the things I thought about was, okay, so if I want to make a point, if I want to talk about someone, if I want to talk about something, if I want to get a point across, how do I make someone understand it? How do I make someone grasp it? And then I decided, okay, I'm not going to record like this. I will start using scripts. Now, here's the problem. I started using script. So I will just ask ChatGPT to write some script for me. I will just maybe prepare some script myself and then decide to record. Now, the problem is anytime I prepare a script or anytime I use ChatGPT or AI to prepare any script, I am not able to record. And even if I am able to record, afterwards, I don't like the video I recorded because there are so many stops and it doesn't seem consistent for me. Like there is some redundancy sometimes, so it makes me want to use script. And that is the only reason why I decided to go with what? Preparing a script using AI or preparing a script myself. Now, whenever I prepare script myself or using AI, I don't like it when I finish recording the video because I feel like that isn't me. It doesn't feel like me. So I am stuck between these. What do I do? Which one do I pick? Because I am very 100% okay speaking to the camera like this. Without any script, I am able to flow. The only problem is having redundancy when I watch the videos back. Now with AI, with using AI for script and writing the script, even myself, it doesn't feel like me. It feels like I'm talking from someone. I'm talking for someone. And it makes it very difficult. I'm stuck between this and I don't know what to do. Maybe you can help me with a solution. You can leave a comment. It doesn't matter. I just want to get this out because I have to make a lot of videos. I have a lot of things to talk about. I just want to get it off to a good start.